Places we tend to forget and get wrapped up in our own work and our own lives, and we tend to forget the person who's made the maximum sacrifices and compromises in her own life so that she could give us the best of things.
Um, First of all, I'm here with my mom on this event, which PNG has organized. I think it's going to be one of the most special days for me and my mom to be sharing this moment together, because it's made me stop and think, really stop and think. How many times do we actually do that as kids? As kids, you grow up and you have your mom running behind you. Bete ye khao, bete wo khao, ye niwala kha lo, go to school and pack your lunch for you. So I remember my entire childhood has been filled with my mom's loving hand on top of my head, waking me up for school, starting from there, and making sure that I get the best khana at lunch break, her Maharashtrian style prawns which she used to give me, and waiting for me at home right after school. So she's been there throughout. I've seen her every single day, and I've seen so much of her, and I wish that I could do that much for her in return. I don't think I ever will be able to, but I want to say thank you, Mom, for doing that for me, and much, much more. Thank you.
सबसे ज्यादा याद है मम्मी जब भी मुझे देखते थे, तुम यहाँ क्या कर, तुम पढ़ नहीं रही, जब भी देखे सुबह रात शाम तुम पढ़ नहीं रही, तो आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर दैट. और मम्मी ने मेरी पूरी ट्रेनिंग जो की है वो हर चीज में की है, लेकिन एक्टिंग में नहीं. मुझे बर्तन धोने आते हैं, मुझे खाना बनाना आता है, मैं मुझे कहा जाता था कि तुम ससुराल जाके राजपूतों की नाक कटवाओगी. तो मुझे एक्टिंग के सिवाय मेरी मम्मी ने सब कुछ सिखाया है. So just in case it doesn't work out here, I am set.
The world needs to know, which I've known very well all my life, because जब मैं छोटी थी मेरी mom मुझे लोरी गा के she used to make me go to sleep, and only I know and my family knows how beautiful her voice is and what she sounds like. She sounds like a nightingale, and Mom, I would like you to sing something, and I really, really want you to sing for the rest of your life and make the world know that as well.
I remember when she was born, there was this song that I used to love. I don't remember the name of the film, but I used to sing, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार, मेरे घर आई हो, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी. Okay, now it doesn't end here, but I want her to sing a song for me.
I can't compete with her at all. But I remember जब मैं छोटी थी मैं एक गाना हमेशा गाती थी mom के लिए from my favorite band.
She used to always fight with me, and then she used to sing the song for me.
From my favorite band, which were the Spice Girls. I don't know if you guys know that band, but I used to sing the song for her. Mama, I love you. Mama, I care. Mama, I love you. Mama, you're my friend. You're my friend. You're my friend. Thank you.
Many years ago, before my mother got married, she used to draw, and she had an interest in trying her hand at paintings and stuff. But it's been many years, I think, since she tried this, and I don't know how she's going to manage that. But I was hoping that we'd get a bigger canvas and a lot more for her to contribute on. But I think she'll just add a little value here as a gesture. And thank you, Ma, for coming today. I really appreciate it. thank you for the song.
Ma'am, please. माँ को धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ। सबसे पहले जो इनकी डेडिकेशन है परिवार को लेके, और ये एक अध्यापिका भी हैं, संस्कृत पढ़ाती हैं, और बहुत ही ज़्यादा इनकी शादी हो गई थी 20 साल की उम्र में, और इनके 3 बच्चे हैं, जो पहला 22, जो भी है 24, और मेरी उम्र तक तो ये 3 बच्चों की माँ बन चुकी थी। और उसके बाद इन्होंने और कुछ देखा नहीं, और बच्चे, उनकी जिंदगियाँ, husband or joint family, saas, sasur, devar. So we have a family of 16 people who live in a house of 25 rooms, and my mother has been so dedicatedly taking care of each and every person, and she is a very big inspiration for me.